Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Riya Sahu and I welcome to my YouTube channel Riya Sa. So guys, you know what? Today we will be solving the another challenge which is given by the hacker rank like on the hacker rank website. So as we already saw the Java string reversal challenge in the previous video, so if you have not watched it, then just go and watch it and you definitely get some value out of it. And today we will be solving the another challenge, and the another challenge is the Java anagrams. Okay, so let me solve it. Like, let me see like what is there. Okay, so here is the problem statement. So first of all, you should be clear like what is the problem statement and what the output we should get. Okay, so read it carefully. So two strings A and B are called anagrams if they contain all the same characters in the same frequencies. Okay, for example, the anagrams of cat are CAT, ACT, TAC, CDCA, ATC, CTA. Okay, fine. So even if you didn't understood like what is there, like if you even if you did not understand, then you can see here the sample input and sample output definitely. So check like ANAGRM. So what is anagram basically? So anagram number is nothing but all the spellings, like all the letters and spelling. Even if you write that sentence, even if you write that word or that sentence in the like in the random format, but the letter and the frequency of the character, like for example here the table is given for the better understanding, like the character capital A or small a. So what is given, like the first line contains a string denoting A, second line contains another string denoting B. So here like the comparison should not be case sensitive. Okay, so we can do the comparison like case insensitive. Like even if the character is like the uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. It just need to be. If it is capital A also, it will work, and if it is small a also, it will work. So the sample input, for example, A and AGRAM. So the second is the second input, like the second string is MARGANA. And now what we have to do is like we have to compare it, like all the characters, like there are three A we can see in the first string. Okay, A at the 0 index, like 0 1 2 index, like, and this at this index value. So we can see like there are three A's, and there are one G. So the frequency of G is like 1, and in the second string also the frequency of G is 1, and the frequency of N is 1. Frequency of N here also, the second string is also 1. So here like we can say here like these two numbers are anagrams. So we can compare it and we can say like it is two numbers are anagrams numbers. But the sample input, like the second input, you can see so the ANAGRAMM, and here the second string which is given is MARGANAA. So here if you properly observe, then you will definitely find out like the character, like the character's frequency, like the A or capital A, like the frequency of A is 3, but here in the second string, like here in the second string, the frequency is 4. Here the G frequency is 1, but the G frequency is 1. Okay, but M frequency, if you see properly, the M frequency in the first string is 2, but the M frequency in the second string is basically 1. So we cannot say that this is anagram number, so we have to print the output as not anagrams. Okay, so let us check by doing some by writing some logic that we will be able to solve it or not. So let us see like how exactly we can solve the challenge. So here for our reference, some of the code is already given. Like we can see like public solution. Okay, some code is already written, the main method is already written, but we just need to complete this function. This is anagram function we need to write, and we need to check that the function, the two strings are anagrams or not. So why are we waiting for? Let's do this. So first of all, okay, the like the method is already invoked. And first of all, if the function is not anagram, so we can simply say, like, if the length of a string is not equal to b, then we should return false here. So uh, a dot length is not equal to b dot length, then we can directly write like return false. Why I am writing like this? Because we already know, if the number is anagrams, then their length, like the length of the characters, the number of the characters in the string A and string B would be equal. So if the length is not equal, then we can directly return false there. So I am writing it in the if statement, in the if block. But in the else block, we have to write the logic for if the statement is true. So how exactly we can do this? So first of all, let me take the numbers, like the a and b, in the char array. Char array ch1 is equal to a dot to char array, and the another string I am taking in another char array variable to char array. Okay, fine. So after that, like, we need to check, like, if it is, like, how exactly we can do this. So if I see, I can use the sort method, which is available as a part of the array, like I can use it. So I am using the sort method, and if you don't know about the sort method, then you can check it, like here it is given. Sort method sorts the items of an array. So the sort method orders can be either alphabetic or numeric, either in the ascending or descending order. Ascending is up, descending means down. So by default, the sort method sorts the value as a string in alphabetical and in ascending order. Alphabetical and ascending order. So this is by default nature of the sort method. So how exactly we can use it? So it's like java.util.arrays dot sort of ch1, because I have taken the I have converted actually two arrays used for the conversion of the string into the character array. So I have used the ch1, so I'm using it like this: java.util. Okay, guys, java.util.arrays dot sort of ch2. I can create the one variable here. I can create the character variable. I can create the character variable a1 is equal to, which I will be storing the sorted array into the a1 char array. A2 is equal to, like this. And what we have to do is, like, we have to compare it. So for comparison, we can use the equals method here. Okay, so we can use the equals method, like java.util dot okay, fine. Arrays dot equals of a1 comma a2. Let me check if I have written the correct logic or not. Return statement is missing, guys. Okay, there is a compilation error, like void cannot be converted to char array. Fine, fine. Void cannot be converted to char array. Let me see, like what we have done is correct or not. Like there is one compilation error is coming. Sort see avoid cannot be converted. So guys, we are getting error here. So let me check, like without using, okay, without storing in this, without storing in this variable. So let me check. And a1 comma a2, so like we can directly write ch1 comma ch2, or else what we can do, like we can write this before if also. We can write these two statements before if also. I'm writing in else, but I think I should write it before if. So now if I write ch1 comma ch2, so guys, if I run this code, then there might be one more problem. Okay, there is no other problem, like one test case is failed. So why the one test case is failed here? So you can observe, like here the first string is HELLO, the another string is small HELLO. But what we have written, like what is the given in the statement, like it can be insensitive, like the string can be insensitive, but according to our logic here we are using the sort method. So you need to know, like the sort method is having some problem. So you can see here, you can observe in this website, it is also given in this website, like this sort method, the sort method will produce an incorrect result when sorting the numbers. Why? Because if you see this line, this works well for the strings, like apple comes before banana. So we all know that hello and hello, so h, capital H is different like lexicographically, and the small h is different lexicographically. So we need to use here, like we need to use one method to get the correct result. Two uppercase or two lowercase, both will work. Here also, like two lowercase dot to char array. And now if I run the code, then see, three of the test cases are passing. So instead of the two lowercase, you can also convert into the uppercase, then you will get the same result, like the test cases will pass. Let me submit the code and let me see if I am my all the run test cases are correct or not. Oh yes, all the test cases are passed, and when we submit the code, we got the success message. And yes, we have earned the 10 points for it, and I am just 2 points away from the third star of my Java batch. So I hope you guys also enjoyed this. Even I enjoyed writing this code, and we did some mistakes and we learned from it. So stay tuned, stay tuned to this channel and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and you will see more videos like this, like on the problems of the hacker ranks. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.